You must not be pulling hard enough. I don't hear her screaming anymore.
Ah, there we go. Screaming makes our work so much more enjoyable.
Yeah! Scream along, everybody! Ah!
Hands off, Skeevy. I found her first.
No way, Chatters. I caught her fair and square.
You heard her, Skeevy. Hand her over.
Not a chance. I can play tug of war all night. I'm taking my share if I have to tear her in half.
I'm okay with that. 50% for you and 50% for me.
I don't trust your math.
Hey, kids, we're the clowns your parents warned you about.
No use screaming, kid. You became a Halloween trick for us to treat on.
Ah, yes, a nice game of Halloween tug of war.
Such Halloween spirit in this one.
Too true. Just don't pull so hard this time. You broke the last one.
Don't worry, there's more where I found this one.